Good day everyone, I am Princess Ikologod from BSED 3A. So today I will be going to do a reflection video of our topic from Unit 4 to 6. So let's start. So in Unit 4, we talk about the air masses and the fronts, wherein air masses characterized as the large volume of air in the atmosphere that has uniform temperature and moisture. While the front is the transmission zone between two different properties. We also tackled about the atmospheric or the air pressure, which is it is the force exerted on the surface by the air above it as it pulls to the earth. So barometer is the tool that used in measuring atmospheric pressure. There are main classifications of the air masses. We have the continental tropical, continental polar, maritime polar, and maritime continental. So now let's talk about the fronts. We have stationary fronts wherein there is no movement in the transmission zone. We also have the cold fronts. In here, the cool air displaces or displacing the warm air. Next, we have the warm fronts. In here, the warm air rises above the cool air. And lastly, we have the occluded fronts wherein the cold fronts displacing the warm fronts. So it has two types, the cold occlusions and the warm occlusions. So moving forward to Unit 5, which is all about the under pressure, we then discuss the low and high pressure system. When we say low pressure system, it has a lower pressure at its center than the areas around it. And also in this, the wind is blowing toward the low pressure system. In low pressure system, the wind swirling counterclockwise in the north of the equator and clockwise in the south of the equator, unlike in the high pressure system that has a high pressure at its center than the areas around it, and the winds blow away from the high pressure system. It moves or it's swirling clockwise in the north of the equator and counterclockwise in the south of the equator. We also have 5 factors affecting the air pressure. First is the temperature, height from sea level, moisture in air or what we call humidity, gravitational of Earth, and rotations of Earth. Distributions of air pressure can be in the two ways. It can be horizontal distributions and vertical divisions. And lastly, let us talk about the Unit 6, which is all about the weather. Weather is said to be the temporary conditions of the atmosphere, and it has 6 elements including temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitations, and clouds. So, the cloud patterns indicate the presence of the weather system. The weather system is said to be the movement of warm and cold or cool air across the globe. So, on late 1930, the radio sonde balloon is the tool that used in observing atmosphere, while the radar is the major tool used in observations and forecasting. We also have 4 types of weather: sunny day, rainy day or snow day or snowy, windy day, and the cloudy day. So that summarizes our lessons from Unit 4 to 6. I hope you learned a lot and thank you for watching.